Paul. Yes. I looked for a credential in the Black's Law Dictionary. Yes. Not here. I was kind of surprised about that. Oh, there is no credentialing in the Black's Law Dictionary. No. But there is what's known as the commissioner. Yes. Someone who directs a commission, a member of a commission. Yes. And then there's the commissioner of oaths, a lawyer who may legally serve as a witness to particular legal documents. Yeah. I just wanted to know, did the court commissioner, did he actually have to join the bar, and did anybody recommend him for the office of court commissioner? I'd like to get his recommendations. Or did somebody in Clallam County decide that the Mormons were going to have a say in things? Now, for all of those lawyers, yes, that may legally serve as a witness to a particular legal document. Yeah. Are both these signatures Brent Basden's? Oh. We've had a real problem with forgeries, and considering that state court seal, yes. I had once thought that maybe somebody was playing kangaroo court with my actual rights. Where's the credentials of the individual that was appointed the court commissioner? Now, I know that the county's kind of done this backwoods type of mindset that, well, we're just not going to force the court orders from Guam. Right. We're going to issue this protection order in 2011. And Commissioner Brent Basden did or did not have a recommendation from any credentialed individual. Did you just decide to use any lawyer in Clallam County? Could you could you get me the actual requirements necessary to be a commissioner that has the legal right to legally serve as a witness to a particular legal document? Yes. See, I sent an email that the petitioner didn't witness it, she didn't acknowledge it, she wasn't there. Yes. And I wasn't given any actual notice of the hearing. Right. I was not present at the hearing, and the order was not issued in accordance with the full faith and credit provisions of the VAWA. Yes. But to be appointed court commissioner, yes, you must have had tremendous credentials. Yes. Not just being an attorney. Yes. Not having graduated from a ABA recognized school, which you actually witnessed a court document that has forgeries on it. Now, for the sheriff's department, to have a court commissioner that knowingly witnesses a forgery of any person elected to office, I'm going to sue that court commissioner in this county. See, it's not just right, the signature of the elected oath of office. Yes. It's that the court commissioner witnessed it. Pooch. That's like knowingly witnessing a forgery, and then you, as law enforcement, have refused to arrest the court commissioner. Can the commissioner witness a forgery? Now, yesterday I talked to you about the signature verification training of those in the election districts. Yes, but I haven't gotten a phone call. I told you about those that are in the electoral college that are elected by the voters, but I don't remember electing them. Yes. I told you about the elections. Now, how is it possible that for the last 3 years you allowed an appointed oath known as the court commissioner to knowingly witness a forgery? Now, every time it was Heidi Lee Budnick, and then every time that it was Heidi Lee Budner, how many of the signatures that are not the signature of my wife did the court commissioner witness? Now, this state's going to get sued for $200 billion. I just want to know, because I wasn't a resident. Yes, I was in jail on Guam. Yes, I was involved in a jury. Well, it wasn't a jury trial. It was just a trial. Right. There was no jury involved. I had chosen, right, to do diversion. I did 7 hours of parenting classes, right. My record was dismissed and it was expunged. Yes. Mhm. You, Judge Ken Williams, right. Those signatures that are supposedly my wife's, mhm. Did you personally witness any signature that happens to be a forgery? I've asked you to remove the court orders. Now, I'm thinking it's a misdemeanor, a gross misdemeanor, for any voter to use a forgery to vote in any election. And all of those that have been trained by law enforcement for signature verification, yeah, they're obligated to do more than just say, well, we're not going to count this vote. They're obligated to inform law enforcement of a violation of the law. Why don't you get me the voting ballot, the registration card, yes, of Brent Basden, and then get me every bill. Your court commissioner has witnessed a forgery. You are obligated to arrest him and enforce the laws of this state and the United States. Now, these commissioners, yes. Well, he did it multiple times, Bill. Oh, the minute order, right. You said that the court would review, right, if I did a mental health evaluation. Did you listen to the CPS interview? I'm a professional, Sheriff. I don't fuck around.